friends, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some 50th party decorations. I did get these rose gold decorations from ubcheerful.com. Make sure to use the coupon code EsthasRoyalParty and you can get 20% off your entire purchase. So go ahead and check that out. I also have a link in my description. I'm using a balloon tire. It makes it so much easier to tie balloons so it doesn't hurt your fingers, especially if you have a lot of balloons. And I'm going to be blowing up a lot of balloons because I'm going to be making a balloon garland. I like to rub my confetti balloons onto a surface to help the confetti to stick. We're going to get started with this balloon garland strip. With this balloon garland, you see that it does have little holes in here. So you insert the tip of the balloon into the big hole and you slide it over to lock it into the smaller hole. Make sure you check out my video or the details of how I created a balloon garland. I will have the link in the description below. Okay friends, and now that our balloon garland is complete, we're going to go ahead and blow up some more balloons. These are some letter balloons that's going to spell out happy birthday. Now on to stringing the balloons. Stringing the balloons just make it easier to hang up. You pretty much just take the string and you put it in the holes of the letter and you just pull them all the way through. I do like starting with the last letters and work my way up to the front letters. It just makes it a little bit easier for me to string. Time to put up the backdrop. Let's go. And we're going to start off with a white curtain fringe, and then we're going to alternate between white curtain fringe and a silver curtain fringe. I'm just going to fold it in half, and then we're going to use some tacks and tape to hang it up. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so I can keep bringing you great content. Also leave a thumbs up and a comment if you like this video or have any other videos that you would like for me to make. I want to show you really quick. The silver curtain fringe was a little bit longer than a white curtain fringe, so I just went ahead and kind of tucked the silver back a little bit. Next we're going to take some ribbon and some tape, and this is going to be the foundation to help us hang up the balloon garland. I'm taking two pieces of masking tape and making an X, and then I'm going to hang it up at the end, the middle, and then the other end of my curtain fringe backdrop. To hold up the balloon garland, I take it in the middle and I start with the middle section first, and I'm just wrapping and pulling the string around it to make it tight to secure it onto the backdrop. Now we're going to get ready to add our letter balloon banner. I'm just using some tape to help me hang this up on the backdrop. And then we're going to take some tape, and this is just packing tape to make it double-sided. We're going to get ready to hang up the big numbers for 50. I'm just putting packing tape on the back of the balloon and sticking it to the backdrop. We're adding the 5, and now we're adding the 0. I'm going to hang up some star balloons on either side of the backdrop. And then we're going to go ahead and hang up the other letter balloons that spell out birthday. here's our 50th birthday party decorations. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Also make sure you check out my video on how I made the balloon garland in detail, and have a royal day.